Welcome back. Today's Tuesday Oldies is all about the food that got our families through the Great Depression, and we still enjoy this food today. Do you know what it is? The Great Depression is part of our history that will never be erased. It lasted from 1929 to 1939. It began with the stock market crash on October 29, 1929. This is known as Black Tuesday. It continued through the 1930s, deeply affecting economies worldwide. The U.S. started recovering in the late 1930s, but a full recovery didn't happen until World War II ramped up industrial production. This happened in the early 1940s. During this time, families struggled to keep their families fed. During the Depression, families had to get creative with what they had. The most reliable, filling, and affordable foods they turned to was beans. Meat was too expensive, so beans became the household staple. They were cheap and full of protein. They could be turned into many different kinds of meals. Beans are still just as good today. Whether you're making a hearty bean soup, or refried beans, or a pot of chili beans, this #1 pantry staple got families through hard times. Would you have survived the Great Depression? Let me know in the comments what food you would have survived on. Today, sometimes the simplest foods are the best. If you want to follow along with more Tuesday Oldies, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss a single one. Bye for now. See you in the next video.